Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? We have learned Arabic alphabets, Huruful Hija, their full shapes, their sounds, and the half shapes. Then we learn the same sounds of Huruful Hija and the similar letter confusion in Arabic alphabets. Today we will learn compound letters. When we write Arabic, the single letters are joined together to form compound letters or alphabets, also known as Murakkabaat in Arabic. While writing compound letters, one letter can have different shapes. Therefore, learning the compound letter is very important. You already know the shapes of the alphabets, the same sounds of the alphabets, and the alphabets that are confused with same shapes. So if you keep in mind all of them, you can easily understand compound letters that can help then further in learning the Arabic and the Qur'an. Now we will learn how to write and pronounce when they are joined. So when we join different alphabets, their sounds remains the same. Remember, their sounds remains the same, but their shapes change according to their position in the compound word. A compound word is made up of at least 2 letters. In this lesson, we will do the compound letters which consist of just 2 letters. So let's start our lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ain alif, ha alif, fa alif, qaf alif, kaf alif, ya alif, ta alif, lam alif, ba alif, noon alif, za alif, ta alif, sad alif, ta alif, dal alif, sheen alif, mim alif, ba sin, Yasin, Jim dal, Kha dal, Lam ba, Kaf ba, Ta ra, Kha za, Sad ba, Ba ya, Ain ya, Kha waw, Qaf ra, Kaf ra, Shin ya, Ya ba, Ba kha, Ta ha, Fa kaf, Ha jim, Ain jim, Tha mim, Lam mim, Qaf waw, Lam waw, Ba ain, Ya ghain, Kaf lam, Qaf lam, Ta noon, Dad waw, Kaf noon, Noon ba, Fa qaf, Ha qaf, Ha waw, Ha ya. You have seen that there are different shapes in it, and the similar shape which confused you, we look at them one by one. Look, at letter Fa and Kaf. They have the same shape, but the difference is that Qaf have 2 dots on it and Fa have a dot. Then in the sound Qaf and Kaf, Qaf have a heavy sound and Kaf have a light soft sound. Then Ya and Ta. Ya has 2 dots under it while Ta has 2 dots on it. Then Ba and Noon. Ba has a dot under it and Noon has a dot on it. Then Ta and Sod. It looks same, but Ta and Sod have different. Then Ta Alif and Ta Alif. Ta is pronounced with a heavy sound while Ta is pronounced with soft sound. Then Ba and Ya. Basin, Yasin. What is the difference? It has 2 dots and Ba has 1 dot. Similarly, Lam and Kaf. Sometimes it looks same, but you can see that Lam have no kash on it, while Kaf have a kash. Then Ba and Taha. Kha has a dot on it, while Ha has no dot. Then Ha Jim Ain Jim. Ha and Ain has a different in their shapes, in the half shapes and the full shape too. You can see Jim, Ha, and this is Ain. There is a difference between Ain and Ha. Then Ta and Dad, Qaf and Kaf. I hope you understand the difference between their shapes, their sounds, and the similar words confusion. I hope you have understand what are the compound letters and why are they important. If you like the video, kindly share, like and subscribe. Barakallahu feek.